Essential oil for headache, essential oil recipe for quick headache relief. Here in this video. Headache statistics. Headache symptoms. Recipe of essential oil for headache relief. How does this essential oil for headache recipe works? Out of a cancer diagnosis, there are probably few worse things to suffer through a headache. Essential oil for headache can contribute surprisingly immediate relief. A headache is estimated to be the third most prevalent disease on Earth. This video will share an excellent recipe of essential oil for headache for quick relief, utilizing just 3 essential oils and some other general household items. Headache statistics. Headaches are very debilitating. It is estimated that workers suffering from headaches lose millions of working hours each year. In only the United States alone, 37 million people suffered from a migraine. More women than men suffered from headache, and they are generally between the ages of 35 to 55. Migraines can and do occur in younger people, some of their teens. Studies show that 91% of migraine patients must skip work and cannot function normally during an attack. That is a lot of suffering. Headache symptoms. For some people, before the intents of a headache, visual disturbances may be experienced. One might notice the appearance of an or small crossed hatches or jagged lines in the visual field that alerts a headache is in the way. Once headache takes over, in addition to the pain, there may be sensitivity to bright lights or loud sounds. There may also be a palpable pain in the head, nausea and vomiting, blurred vision, and other unpleasant symptoms. Most would do almost anything to avoid or stop a headache in their tracks if they only knew what to do. Essential oil for headache can contribute surprisingly immediate relief. Here is the prescription. Recipe of essential oil for headache relief. Ice cubes, 2 cups. Marjoram essential oil, 2 drops. Ginger essential oil, 2 drops. Peppermint essential oil, 1 drop. 1 small cloth. 1 medium bowl partially filled with cold water. Place the ice cubes and drops of each essential oil in the bowl of cold water. Shake briefly to mix. Oils will float over the water, but it's okay. Dip the cloth in a mixture of oil and ice and then placed on the patient's forehead, taking care to avoid the eyes. Always keep the essential oil away from the eyes. The mixture may also be applied on the neck sides, around the carotid arteries. When the cloth warms up, immerse it in the icy, oily mixture again and keep reapplying until the headache subsides. It's quite impressive how fast essential oil for headache works, usually within 10 minutes. How does this essential oil for headache recipe works? Marjoram essential oil for headache, Origanum majorana, is a popular natural painkiller. It helps to reduce headache. It is also an antispasmodic, so it eases to relieve the tight, sore muscles that usually accompanied headache. Ginger essential oil for headache, Zingiber officinals, helps relieve nausea associated with a headache. Ginger has been widely studied for its effect on the gastrointestinal tract. It has been revealed to be extremely effective in curing nausea and vomiting. Ginger also has properties to relieve a headache. Peppermint essential oil for headache, Mentha piperita, helps with headache relief. It is a natural anti-inflammatory and digestive aid. Peppermint helps quickly relieve the pain and nausea associated with migraine headaches. The ice application seems to work in 3 different ways. First, ice contributes to contracting, tighten, blood vessels in the neck and head, a process called vasoconstriction. The resulting decrease in blood flow helps relieve the headaches. Second, ice stops a person's ability to feel headaches, which is known as analgesia. It is believed that the ice slows down the message of pain along the nerves. Third, ice is believed to have an effect on the endocrine hormonal system, which could be slowing down enzyme activity and slowing down metabolic activity. Keep in mind that there are usually many factors that come into play that are causing migraine headaches in the first place. It is a suggestion that you seek the advice of your doctor, or naturopath, to find out why you have a headache.